What's up guys, it's Joshua here, and today I'm having the latest HUAWEI MateBook 14s here. So what's the upgrade and what's my thought after using it for a week? Let's head to it. So the first new upgrade for this HUAWEI MateBook 14s here is the all-new Spruce green color. Yes, so although the one that I got here is the space gray color, I haven't got the chance to see on my own eyes for the Spruce green, but by looking at the pictures and videos, it's seriously nice and elegant. This time, the green is much lighter and slightly towards a grayish green, unlike the emerald green color option on the HUAWEI MateBook X Pro. Really, I hope I'll get to see this color myself soon. For the connectivity wise, it remains the same as the previous model. You got 2 USB-C, 1 USB 3.2, 1 HDMI and a 3.5mm audio jack. However, if you purchase the i7 Evo model, one of the Type-C ports supports Thunderbolt 4. Opening up the lid, you get this 2.5K HUAWEI FullView Display. Unlike your standard 16:9 aspect ratio display, you got the 3:2 aspect ratio display size that is much taller than usual. So you immediately feel you could see much more stuff or read more information when you're surfing the net or looking into your documents. Also, with the 90% screen to body ratio and thinner bezels here, you get an immersive visual experience when you're watching movies as well. Besides, you notice that you get much more smoother motions when you scroll through your apps or scroll through your softwares. Because it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate touchscreen, and with Intel's display refresh rate switching, you will be able to switch between low and high refresh rates depending on your usage. Of course, when you use the 90Hz refresh rate, it will consume more power on your laptop. So you get to switch from 90Hz to 60Hz manually by pressing the Function plus R button here. Speaking about the keyboard, HUAWEI has also upgraded its keyboard to a 1.5mm key travel distance full-size backlit keyboard and an improved soft landing key design. Clicking response compared to the chiclet keyboard, this keyboard feels much more solid and nicer to type on. You still get to switch between two backlit levels with HUAWEI Share built-in touchpad. And there's no more hidden webcam on the keyboards anymore. Finally, HUAWEI listens to our comments. So the webcam now is situated on the thin bezel on top of the display with a 720p IR camera. So no more odd angles during your Zoom meetings, as well as you got to unlock your laptop with Face Unlock too. So if you're a HUAWEI user, I'm pretty sure you're well aware of the HUAWEI Share functions like the HUAWEI multi-screen collaboration and also the mirror mode. Same here, you'll get all these features on your laptop with your HUAWEI smartphones and also HUAWEI MatePads. But today, I'm going to highlight something even better, which is you can run your mobile app on this laptop itself. Yep, HUAWEI has opened its beta version mobile app engine, so you can install it onto the laptop and download your commonly used mobile apps like Grab, Lazada to be opened and used on the laptop itself. Now, performance-wise, the HUAWEI MateBook 14s is powered by the Intel H series processor, either with the Intel Core i5 or Intel Core i7 with the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics here. You can also press the Function plus P shortcut keys to enable performance mode to boost the CPU performance when you're using heavy graphics workloads. So for the Geekbench score, it's pretty good. For single core, it scores about 1600, and for multi-core, it scores about 6000. I did some score tests on 3D Mark as well, and it's really impressive too. So overall gaming performance is pretty awesome. So for the sound quality, it's pretty good. It has a quad speaker with HUAWEI Sound. So let's listen to the sample. So, what do you think about the sound quality? And not just that, because the quad mic here is pretty good too. Complemented with the personal voice enhancement technology, it will isolate and boost your voice and minimize noise when you're talking with it. It can pick up your voice from as far as 5 meters. So let me show you an example of how my voice sounded. So guys, now I'm testing the HUAWEI quad mic, and yes, with the aid of the HUAWEI quad mic and also the noise cancellation, well, it's pretty well. I think it's well received, even though I'm turning on the music on the background. It's quite loud and also quite noisy on my background, but you still can listen to my voice clearly, right, with the voice enhancement here. Now, last but not least, the battery life. Instead of the 56 watt-hour battery, it has increased to a higher 60 watt-hour battery this time. So now it can use up to 13 hours of video playback, and also with the pocketable 90 watt power adapter, you can have a quick 15 minutes charge for 3 hours of office work. So through my review, I can really use for a full day with a single charge. And to me, the HUAWEI MateBook 14S here is really a great laptop, especially for those of you who are using it for your business purposes or for your assignment workloads. Because if you're looking for a laptop that is pretty lightweight and also it can last for a full long day without charging it often, well, this laptop is really suitable for you. Even if you're using for some heavy graphic works like Photoshop editing or video editing, well, this performs quite well too. It now has up to 16GB of LPDDR4X dual channel RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. And I'll definitely recommend you to choose the Spruce screen if you're getting the 8GB plus 512GB variant to stand out from the crowd too. So let me know what you think about the HUAWEI MateBook 14S here in the comments below. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to not miss any of our video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Joshua C. Bye bye.